Wow.
Nice music.
Oh, this is chance. Thank you, Nigel. Francine, I'll sit here.
Just sit there and wait.
But they're here. Within seconds. Where are you from?
No, it's cold.
So he is
In our garden or from the village, they're local figs stuffed with our local goat's cheese, and it's a Greek salad which is tomatoes, cucumber, and onion from our garden with goat's cheese, the local goat's cheese on it.
What do we have here? Goat cheese and some figs.
Yeah. See?
And then this wonderful feta. Lasagna.
And so the egg. Can you pass these to Leon?
There's no ding 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 ding.
Ding 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 ding!
You can all thank Nigel today.
Thank you,
Because Nigel came in today with a pocket full of chestnuts like this and said, I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Like, give them to me and I'll think of something. This is chocolate chestnut tart. It's got no flour. It's made with your chestnuts, and I had to go and rummage for some more.
Right.
Okay, so it's made with chocolate, chestnuts, eggs, sugar, and egg whites, and it's delicious. That's it. I love it.
Thank you.
I know, it's amazing. It's like yesterday I was frozen. What is my scarf there?
No.
Okay, we're on day 36. This is our albergue. It was called Casa Susie. Most of the pilgrims are in there mingling, which is unusual.
I'm not ready. Which means I have to
It's a process getting everything together. It really, really is. Today we have 18 kilometers to go to O Cebreiro, and it's all uphill. And this is one of the legs that I missed last time I walked. So I'm very excited to be doing this. It's cool, yeah. The backpack I bought yesterday was strictly for shipping. The other backpack, my smaller North Face one, I left here for some other pilgrim to use. She forgot her sticks. If somebody can think of something to make with quince and chestnuts, they'd make a fortune here. Crossing over the river. Listen. Lovely. Come on, guys. Lovely. We are still walking along this river, which has turned more into a creek, a smaller creek. I still like the sound of it. The sun's coming up over here, and look at this. This is a really unique style. I gotta say, I love it. Today we're going to be entering the province or region of Galicia. In Spanish, Galicia. And this is my absolute favorite region. It's green because it's my favorite because it's green. It's very green. And it has a huge Irish or Viking or some kind of Nordic influence. They play Irish music. The houses look like Viking houses. Wait till he's done barking. Yeah, look at the wall. It's big. So, oh, found this snood yesterday. Francine found a shirt. Some pilgrim just left it. She didn't want to carry it anymore. And for me, I'll carry any snood. Of course, I washed it. It's red. I don't have one like this. And here we go. We're gonna be going uphill, and my arm's getting tired, so I'm gonna put my phone down. Good morning on day 36. Okay, we're getting off this main highway, and it says go this way for Camino. Okay, Danielle, Layla, Jan, tell me what this is. It looks like Brussels sprouts, right, but it's not. It's huge leaves. Maybe I just get closer. Okay. Somebody tell me what this stuff is. It's pretty prevalent around these parts. Mm-hmm. Francine just noticed these pumpkins. So she's going to stand over there for scale. They're just monsters. Look how big they are. Listen to the water now, guys. Oh. There's that window that I like. That type of... Yeah. Okay. Oh. I know where you're talking.
You have the side.
Goodness. Beautiful mountain town. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And here's another quince tree. Look. Really, really prolific in this area. I just keep whipping out my phone because everything's just so beautiful. Ah, here's people who don't like the windmills. And I think it's free energy. Harness that stuff, man. going round and round. Come out, and I'm not sure why they don't go from that hole, but they come out and go round. The stream where the apples are. I don't know if I call this Apple Beach or pretty, right? Sun's come up. It's getting warmer. Well, we've changed. We've taken our socks off because we're about to hit a trail. It's about to get warm, and this trail is going to go straight up. Looking forward to that. That's my room up there from 2019. I holed up in there for 2 days because I was so sick. And then I cabbed it to O Cebreiro the next day. The stream is over there, and we are beginning our ascent up to O Cebreiro. It sounds nice, right?
Thank you to advise.
Gracias! Woohoo! We stopped here on this roadside car pull out to have some snacks. I got salami and bread from yesterday, extra water, and an egg from this morning's breakfast. I put that in my pocket. And then we just need a little extra sustenance, and then we're gonna hit the road. The hill is really steep, but I think we're gonna get worse. Back to you, Bob. Okay, we're venturing off the road now for the first time, I think all day. We're gonna hit the trail. This is gonna be fun. Tentatively excited. Yeah. This says 165 kilometers to Santiago. I know I told you guys this already, but this is my first time seeing this trail, and it is just beautiful.
Nice trail.
Yeah, the trees are on a overhanging thingy. Come on. Come on. Go get Dad. Maybe 2 more kilometers to go, all uphill. We'll get there. Okay, we are just on the outskirts of town. It took us 2 hours to go 4 kilometers. So our speed was half what it normally is. This is a very charming town. This is my room. I've already got my stuff all splayed out. Pretty happy. Gonna jump in that shower. Yeah, this room cost €55. Get your own shower, which is priceless. Having your own shower is priceless. They have soap. They have shampoo. They have towels. They have sheets. All these are awesome. Very tired. Very tired. Hard day. 18 kilometers uphill. And gonna do a shower really quick because I have an Italian lesson in a few hours. I've got homework to catch up on, and then we gotta eat, so.
Feeling is done since long.
Okay. You scared me.